function. It is T stands for notation of probability function. Sample space S up to R real numbers. Let S be the sample space. Probability is a real valued function. P S to R satisfying the first axiom is for any event E for any event E probability of E is always greater than or equal to 0. It is one axiom. This axiom known as axiom of positivity. What is called? Axiom of positivity. That is, any probability will not be negative. Either it is 0 or some positive quantity but less than 1. So, what is the name known as axiom of positivity? This is the first one. Second axiom, probability of entire sample space is 1. Probability of entire sample space is 1. This is called axiom of certainty. What is the name known as? It is axiom of certainty. Then third axiom, if E and F are mutually exclusive events, E and F are mutually exclusive events, then probability of E union F is equal to P of E plus P of F. This last axiom is called axiom of union. What is the name called? Axiom of union. This name known as axiom of union. Any probability defined using these three axioms is called axiomatic definition of probability. This definition holds for all types of situations for any level. It is higher research levels. But here we have only the definition part in our syllabus. But for all the numerical calculations, the first point is enough. What is that? Classical definition of probability. Probability of E is equal to N of E divided by N of S. N of E means favorable to the event E divided by total number of sample points. For example, let us go for the just examples 1 or 2. When a die is rolled, what is the probability of getting? When 2 dice are rolled, what is the probability of getting? Sum is 4. Probability calculation. 2 dice are rolled, how many points sample space?
36.
36 points. So, N of S is equal to 36. Okay. Sum is equal to 4. What are the possibilities? Can you think? 1, 3. Yes, good. 2, 2. And 3, 1. Row wise. First row only 1, 3. Second row is 2, 1. 2, 2. Third row is 3, 1. How many chances? 3 are favorable. 3 are favorable. Total of 36. That probability is 3 by 36. 1 by 1. Like this, we can apply the first definition for majority cases. When two coins are tossed, what is the probability of getting at least one head? Two coins are tossed, probability of getting at least one head. At least one head, what are the chances? HH, HD, TH. You know? Yes, how many chances? 3. What is the total chances? 4. What is the probability? 3 by 2. 80% probability like this one. It is the probability using this classical definition of probability. The next very important thing is addition theorem on probability. Like we have in set theory n of A union B. Anyone knows the formula of A union B? N of A union B set theory. You don't know set theory? It's completed earlier.
When you were absent,
At least no one is present. Huh? All are absent. N of A union B. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Maybe some students having at the school level also set theory. It's not there in set theory, either state board or CBSE or ICSE. Set theory. It's there. Okay, so it is very simple that we do not know anything, we don't have syllabus, it is simple. But knowing is not easy. Yes, write this. Okay, we'll repeat once again set theory also after completion of this. It is addition theorem on probability. Addition theorem on probability. Yes. A small disturbance with 3-4 students in the class. I'm not saying about you. Generally, okay, you are good only, no problem. Okay, if 1 or 2 students or 3 or 4 are there, they are not interested. That's why they are disturbing the class. Disturb means with a small voice. Class means especially medical section or IIT section, medical top section. Nothing to be. The teacher should not worry about the students. That means they should be like the discipline. Then we can go for any extent of subject. If the teacher concentrates 80%, who is talking means only 20% of the effectiveness will be there in teaching. Finally, lost to whom? For teacher. So 100%, 80%, 20%, anything will be. The teacher will get the same as remuneration. But for the students, it is loss. But is it a mistake of this? No, it is mistake of 3 or 4 students. It is not their mistake also. They do not have that capacity, but they join for the course because of some other persons or parents interest like that. But once you join, you committed for that. You have to forget the previous your knowledge. You must try for reaching the aim. Just 3 or 4 only in the entire class. Right. Addition theorem on probability. Addition theorem states that A and B are any 2 events of the sample space. Let A and B are any 2 events of sample space. Yes, sample space always with a capital S it is. Then probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. This statement known as addition theorem. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. How this concept comes? I don't want to give the proof. It is a concept. Exactly same as set theory we have n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. There are two sets, either events or sets, I said one and the same. This is A, this is B. Right? What is the A? Suppose if I mark with the horizontal lines, this is A, B of A. This is B. I wish to mark the B with vertical lines. Right? It is B. Now, this double mark, this shaded is nothing but A intersection. This A intersection B is calculated, while calculation of A is included, while calculation of B is included. But union, we have to include only once. Therefore, one time is subtracted. This is the concept of A union B. A union B means, I said, repetition has to be removed. But this is included in A, including B. Two times included. But I have included only once. Hence it is once subtracted. That is called A union B probability, known as addition theorem of probability. And addition theorem for the three events required. It is three events addition theorem. Of course, it is not there in the NCERT part, maybe little above the NCERT examinations, because many students may write the JEE mains examination, almost all. More than 95% students will write the JEE mains also. Hence, it will be useful for knowing the subject just above the NCERT level. Do not think about only for NCERT textbook. NCERT textbook is, for the competitive point of view, not even 2-3% sufficient for NCERT book. 2 or 3% only sufficient. If you ask your friends, those who are in the PCMC, there we are going for the counted level. What is NCERT? NCERT is, we will consider for advanced or mains examination 0 level NCERT. So that try to know for the little above the concept is NCERT level above. Then for three events of the sample space, A union B union C, for this definition is completed. Just we can write as a formula here, extra it is. For three events A comma B comma C, for three events A, B, C of sample space, for three events A, B, C of sample space, yes, probability of A union B union C, just one step, this is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C, single values as A, B, C, two values are with minus, A intersection B, B intersection C, A intersection C, for three values with minus, for two values minus, for three values once again plus. This is called three events sample space. We will continue the next class.